But when you go back to tracking, if you were to scroll down to the bottom, you see that next button in the bottom right-hand corner. If you click next, it takes you to the next thing that we are going to do, okay? So today, again, our guiding question today is, what is the weather? How can we predict the weather, and what tools are used? You're going to load the file below, and then once I get done recording the lesson, I will post it there for those who want to go back in case you have missed something. But we're getting to the point where you guys are speaking more than me, so you should already have that information. I already have my file open. And so this is what you should be looking at in the Cami file. Thumbs up. Everybody has your Weather Day 1 Cami file open. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, we're good with the weather tracking. We're going to do that every day. So maybe while the announcements are going on, y'all can go ahead and start updating your weather tracking. Okay? All right. We've already listened to the beautiful song. We will be listening to that probably for a while, since this unit's to last 2 weeks. Our Google Etiquette meets is to please make sure that you show up on time. You have a quiet place to work. You have all your supplies. Mute your microphone, video on, raise your hand or use nod, and then sit up fully engaged in your learning and leave at the end of the meeting. Our classroom norms, Our classroom norms are to be kind, be respectful, and be working. If you are doing number 3, then number 1 and 2 fall right into place. Our mission statement, you do not have to unmute, but I can see you. We will work together as friends and family. Some of you are not repeating after me. We will work together as friends and family. Some of you have your cameras off. Turn your camera on and repeat after me. We will work together as friends and family. Oh, don't make me call you out. I am going to start calling some of you out. I'm watching. I'm watching. Some of you got your cameras off. You better turn them on. Turn them on. Turn on that camera. Let's see those cute little faces. Let's go. We will work together as friends and family. In Mrs. Zemet's class. To gain more knowledge, to work, and to learn. So we can all be successful. We will listen to each other, help each other, and encourage each other. We will make things happen and show the world. We will not accept anything short of the best. Good job, guys. Our goal is 100% of Mrs. Met students will show growth on unit assessments throughout the 2020-2021 school year. They will accomplish this goal by being purposeful and intentional with their time and learning. Woo woo. Today's agenda. Oh, that's not numbered correctly. That's okay. Not the end of the world. We're going to do the problem of the day. Then we're going to go through our introduction to the weather, day 1. And then if we have time, we'll do math workshops. Today's learning objectives. Today's learning objectives. You will be able to identify. It just might be. The problem of the day. Look. Oh, nope. Who wants to read this for me? Letter C shows the process of erosion. What am I going to underline? What am I underlining? Excuse me. What am I underlining? I don't know if I would underline C. Well, I might. I don't know. I don't. That doesn't work. I don't know that I would underline C. I too would underline erosion. Underline or circle. I would also note that since it says letter C, I would probably underline this, right? And so then I want to add some more information here. Like, what is erosion? Now that I have it here, what is it? I need to write down what is erosion. Who can tell me what erosion is? It is 2. So go ahead and make sure that you circle B on that. And then move on to the next piece. Y'all ready? We're moving on. Uh-oh, I need to erase that. Get my handy eraser. All right, so we're going to watch a short little 5-minute video. And then as you notice, on yours, you should have some blanks. You have some blanks that you are going to fill in with some information. Thumbs up. You're going to enter text boxes into those blanks. Thumbs up. You understand. All right, here's your video. Just kidding. Blanks. Let's fill in the blanks. Weather is what's that missing one? Weather is blank climate. Scarlett. You are correct. Weather is not climate. Blank is the key difference between weather and climate. Blank, correct. Time is key difference between weather and climate. Weather is the blank of the blank in a certain place at a certain time. Weather is the blank of the blank in a certain place at a certain time. It can change very what, Cruz? You are correct. It can change very quickly. Did y'all fill in those blanks? All right, well, while y'all are finishing that up, I will show the next video. Let's see if we can fill in those blanks. Weather can change. Weather can change daily. It is predicted by reading measurable factors like blank and blank blank. It is predicted by reading measurable factors like blank and blank blank. That sentence, it is predicted by reading measurable factors like. Very good. Like temperature and wind direction. It is a condition of the atmosphere including the, what is it including? Hopping with it, let's go. Weather can change daily. It is predicted by reading measurable factors like temperature and wind direction. It is a condition of the atmosphere including the temperature, precipitation, wind speed, and cloud coverage. While y'all are doing that, I will move on to the next video. Nope. There we go. All right.
Weather instruments. Today we're going to take a look at 6 common weather instruments.
What measures temperature? What do we use to measure temperature? You are correct. Thermometers measure temperature. Precipitation is measured using a rain gauge. That is very good. Precipitation is measured using a rain gauge. Air pressure is measured using a barometer. Very good. Air pressure is measured using a barometer. Very good, very good. Wind direction is measured using, wind direction is measured using wind or weather vanes. A blank measures the speed of wind. A blank measures the speed of wind. Yes, you did so good. That's a hard one. An anemometer. An anemometer measures the speed of wind. So now that we've gone through all of this, let's take a look at, no, go back. There we go. So let's take a look at our question of the day. What is weather? What is weather? You're going to state weather is blank. So when you know what that answer is, weather is what? I want you to stand up where you're at. Are you ready? When you know the answer to what is weather and you can tell me weather is, I want you to stand up and I'm only going to give you a minute to think about it. You ready? Go. Let's see if I can open it. I want you to go back into your Canvas page. So what you're going to do is, I'm hoping you guys filled in all your blanks and I forgot to add it in here. You need to make sure that you submit. You need to make sure that you hit submit on this file because all your blanks should be filled in. Then you are going to go to the discussion board. I am going to go back to, remember we used to do discussion boards for warm-ups? Well, now we're going to do it for our QSSSA. So I want you to go back into your Canvas discussion board. You have home, announcements, syllabus modules, and then discussions. Go to discussions. You are going to see the same setup that we just had. Hang on, mine's loading. Mine's slow. It's slow. We're slow. It's slow. Oh my goodness. All right. So if you notice for today, there is a January 26, 2021 QSSSA, what is weather? I want you to click on that and you are going to submit. You are going to submit your answer to what is weather. Thumbs up. Type it in. It is due by the end of the day. It is a grade. I will see you guys back here at 2 o'clock. Come back at 2, not 2:25, 2. Come back at 2 o'clock. Bye.